Artemis II on its way. It was right around 6:35 p.m. Eastern Time when we watched the historic launch here at Kennedy Space Center.
4, 3, 2, 1. Booster ignition. And liftoff. The crew of Artemis II now
That
bound
launch
for the
happening,
moon.
and for the first time in more than 50 years, NASA sending astronauts towards the moon. This crew going to get in orbit around Earth. That's when they'll do some testing, some maneuvering with the Orion spacecraft. From there, they'll then start that journey to the moon, about 4 days or so until they get there. They'll then go around the far side of the moon, some 4,000 to 6,000 miles away from the lunar surface, taking some photographs, doing again some more testing before eventually making their way back to Earth. They'll splash down just off the west coast of the United States. This mission just the stepping stone for the rest of the Artemis missions. The goal being eventually to get astronauts back on the surface of the moon, eventually build a base, and then from there move on to Mars and beyond. This entire mission expected to last around 10 days. Reporting at Kennedy Space Center, I'm Michael Yoshida.